surface area. Next, a tent is made in form of a frustum of a cone surmounted by another cone. Okay. Now understand this first line. This is important. Frustum of a cone means a section of a cone surmounted by another cone. See here, there are two cones. One is this base cone and second is this top cone, right? And now the details. The diameter of the base and top of the frustum are 20 and 6 meters respectively, and the height is 24 meters. Okay, so this is of the base frustum. See, this is 20, this is 6, so half will be 10 and 3, and height is given as 24. See, this is the height. Okay, this 24 is for this height, not for this. This is given as A we have taken. Okay, so 24 is this height. Next, the height of the tent is 28 meters, means total height is 28. So this is 24, so remaining height of this cone will be 4 now, right? And the radius of the conical part is equal to the radius of the top of the frustum, means this cone is exactly fitted on this top. That's why both the radius are same. Find the quantity of canvas required. Canvas means what? The total surface area you have to find out. But surface area, when you find out, there are two surface areas to this cone. One is from inside, one is from outside. You don't have to find out both the inside and outside, because we want the canvas. So you find only once, one time. So once you understood, the problem is easy now. Quantity of canvas equals to surface area of frustum plus surface area of cone. Okay. Look at this image properly. This will give you many hints. See, the D is 6 over here for the top, and bottom D is 20. Now you bring the full D from the top, the image or reflection of that at the bottom. So what will happen? Below it will be 6 over here, and remaining will be what now? 20 minus 6, that is 14. So 14 divided into two parts, 7, 7, right? So this part is 7. Now important part, this is 24, this height is 24, it's given, this is 7. Okay, so the slant height will be what? Pythagoras theorem, 24, 7, and this will be, it's 25. See this, a square equals to 24 square plus 7 square, 576. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.